Experience a consistent grind every time. This KitchenAid Burr Coffee Grinder achieves exceptionally consistent grind sizes for all brew methods from French press to espresso and so much more. Designed for your perfect grind, from coarse for cold brew and French press to fine for espresso with 70 precise settings. And this Burr grinder features a variety of benefits, such as automatic smart dosing technology, a built-in adjustable portafilter holder, anti-static technology, and more. The compact design fits under most kitchen cabinets for easy access and everyday use. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Your perfect grind. 70 precise settings, from coarse for cold brew and French press to fine for espresso. The easy reference brew method icons help you to match the right grind size to each brew method. Number 2. Perfect dosing. Automatic smart dosing technology allows you to select the cups or shots desired. Grind time is adjusted accordingly, regardless of grind size or brew method. Number 3. Built-in Adjustable Portafilter Holder. Grind directly into 54mm or 58mm portafilters, perfect for espresso making. Number 4. Less mess. Anti-static technology to reduce static charge and messes. Number 5. Easy to use. 10 ounces removable top hopper to easily transfer unused beans back into a sealed container for fresh keeping, or switch beans in between brews. Capacity varies based on bean type and roast. Number 6. Model KCG8433 includes Burr grinder, grounds tray, portafilter holder, bottom hopper, top hopper, cleaning brush, designed to pair perfectly with the KitchenAid semi-automatic espresso machine, but excellent for other brew methods too, and so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.